So this is a bathroom tub drain. It's not the typical type of drain because it requires that you have a certain tool that is a 4-prong that goes in, and then you can tighten it in or take it out and then tighten it in. So instead of buying that tool, I looked around the house and found this pair of needle nose pliers. And this can get it out. You don't need that special tool anymore. It is, of course, really flimsy. But to save yourself a plumber visit, working with their schedule, which they're never available. And their supposed awesome, just all the awesome stuff that they know. So, of course, gotta remove the crusty hairs, I suppose. Yep. So, gonna take this to the hardware store, get a replacement. Because, well, we just need a new one. Because it just doesn't fit in anymore. It just doesn't work. It's the type where you push it and all that jazz. Nope. It just doesn't work. So, I removed the gasket and I'm going to replace this nice guy with the new one that I just got from the hardware store. Going to okay. Got the new gasket off. Put that aside real quick. Gonna roll a little bit of water to get the gunk out. Hopefully it doesn't cause undesired results. I'm thinking not. But Now I'm gonna reinstall. Oh, this gasket's gonna be fun. I'm not quite the expert at putting in gaskets. Rearrange it so you can see the fun stuff that's going on. Oh, I probably did drip a little bit of water. Yay, fun. Here. And this one twists right off, and it's a brand new one. This hopefully will twist back on whenever I get it in. And it'll do a push open, let the water in. Push this side to close it. Oh, I'll make it work. And then push, close, push, open. Seems fairly straightforward. Now, whenever I'm installing something, I like to go to the left a little bit until I hear a little click, because I don't want to cross thread it. And then I give it a little twist, make it hand tight, or finger tight I should say. Then give it a nice turn. This is their chrome option. Make it nice and snug. And then, well, second thought, turn it just a little more. I'll do the whole left until I hear it click. Oh, come on. It's just not one to grab. Doesn't seem like a cross thread thing. Okay. Open, close. So, there you go. Pretty simple. You need those pliers, and I believe this is called a wrench. If you leave it in the comments below, what is this called? Because apparently I've got some type of memory loss. Thanks for watching.